Managing a Zopa Fixed Saver is a straightforward process that can help you make the most of your savings. To start, you need to understand what a Zopa Fixed Saver is. It is a type of savings account that offers a fixed interest rate for a set period of time, allowing you to grow your savings over time. First, you need to open a Zopa Fixed Saver account, which can be done online through the Zopa website. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once your account is open, you can deposit money into it, which will then start earning interest. To manage your Zopa Fixed Saver, you can log into your online account and view your balance, interest rate, and term length. You can also use this platform to make additional deposits or withdrawals. Although be aware that making a withdrawal before the end of the term may result in a penalty. It is essential to understand the key concepts related to a Zopa Fixed Saver, such as the interest rate, term length, and deposit limits. The interest rate is the rate at which your savings will grow. The term length is the period of time your money is locked in the account. And the deposit limits are the minimum and maximum amounts you can deposit. To get the most out of your Zopa Fixed Saver, consider the following best practices. First, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your account before opening it. Second, set a budget and make regular deposits to maximize your savings. Third, avoid making withdrawals before the end of the term to avoid penalties. In practical terms, let's say you open a Zopa Fixed Saver account with a 2% interest rate for a term of 1 year. If you deposit £1,000, at the end of the term, you will have earned £20 in interest, making your total balance £1,020. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Zopa Fixed Saver and make the most of your savings.